We're all looking for ways to make money online. But what if you could make instant cash without any investment or any skills? We're not talking about getting rich quickly, this is real money that you can put in your pocket right now. All you have to do is download a free app and you'll be able to make money while doing nothing. This app pays you free PayPal money instantly. Just watch the video all through and get started. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can learn the latest ways to make money online. Now let's get started. Want to make free money? Well, get instant access to PayPal Cash. Download and install the free app and get your first dollars in 5 minutes. All you have to do is complete a survey. This app is called Surveys on the Go. Surveys on the Go is a free survey app that pays you to answer surveys. It's a straightforward app, so earning is very easy. Once you install this app and register, you can view all the available surveys. You will find store surveys, web and app surveys, and standard surveys. When you take a survey, first you have to answer some pre-qualifying questions. If you qualify, you get to answer the survey. If you don't, you get a small compensation for not qualifying. Once you complete the survey, you will receive the mentioned reward. You will get push notifications when surveys are available. That makes it more convenient to use. Surveys on the Go also has an amazing feature. When you join the app, you have to allow location services. They call this digital sharing, and it has now become an important part of being able to qualify for surveys inside the app. The more you move around, the more surveys you will supposedly get access to. For example, they will give you surveys about stores you have recently visited as they can track your location. This is necessary to earn the most with surveys on the go. You'll be paid for each survey. The amount of money you can make will mostly depend on how often you will receive survey offers, and how often you will be able to complete one. The best part is that you will earn something even if you don't qualify for a survey. Even if it is not a lot, it is nice to earn some amounts for the time you spent answering the qualifying questions. After reaching $10, you may request PayPal payment or add the money to your virtual Visa account. Payments are handled swiftly. Your money will arrive quickly. You may also get gift cards. Amazon or Starbucks gift cards of equal value may be redeemed. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.